सर आप एक काम करिए, आप मुझे बता दीजिए क्या कहना है मुझे।
अच्छा एक मिनट बैठे।
A rare confrontation is unfolding in Parliament.
मैं आपका सलाहकार नहीं हूँ, लेकिन एज ए स्पीकर के नाते मेरा ये दायित्व बनता है कि सदन नियम प्रक्रियाओं से चले।
The opposition is preparing to move a no-confidence motion against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, accusing him of institutional bias.
डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर,
नो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने
बोलने तो दीजिए सर।
At the heart of the standoff is leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi being denied the opportunity to speak. Opposition parties argue this is not an isolated incident but part of a broader pattern.
नेशनलिज्म पर हम सब ऑपोजिशन के नेशनलिज्म पर सवाल उठाते हैं। इस आर्टिकल में प्राइम मिनिस्टर और राजनाथ सिंह के कैरेक्टर के बारे में जनरल नारावाने ने लिखा है।
मैंने आपको मना व्यवस्था दे दी इस विषय
और
पर,
मैं सिर्फ वो कह रहा हूं।
व्यवस्था दे दी इस विषय पर।
In a final push ahead of the motion, 6 opposition MPs have written to the Speaker. The letter, signed by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other women MPs, urges him to act impartially. The MPs allege the Speaker has acted at the government's behest, allowing defamatory remarks against Congress women MPs to remain on record. They also question his independence, citing reports that he was awaiting the government's response before acting.
स्पीकर साहब का खुद मैंने पहले भी बोला निरादर किया गया है और स्पीकर साहब पे इतना प्रेशर है कि उनको खुद स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ रहा है जो सही नहीं है। अभी सवाल ही नहीं उठता कि कोई मोदी जी पे कोई हाथ उठाए या कुछ ऐसा करे, सवाल ही नहीं उठता। और 11 महिला एमपी हैं, मैं एक हूँ और 10 और हैं कांग्रेस की, उनमें से किसी को आप देखिए सब सीरियस लेडीज़ हैं, कोई ऐसे थोड़ी है कि जाके पीएम साहब को कुछ करेंगी।
So first of all, actually, we would like to strongly express our anguish to the speaker, because that's not an easy charge made by a honorable speaker of the house. He's the custodian of the house. If any problem the MPs, women MPs, or any member of parliament has faced inside the parliament, we have to go to speaker and express our problem. But speaker himself turned accuser. Where do we go?
Congress MP R. Sudha has moved a privilege motion demanding that the Speaker's remarks be expunged from the record. Tensions peaked last Thursday when proceedings were adjourned early. Speaker Om Birla said he had received inputs about an unexpected act targeting the Prime Minister.
हम सबको सदन सुचारू रूप से चलाने में सहयोग करना चाहिए। इसके बाद जब सदन के नेता को सम्माननीय महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर जवाब देना था, तो मेरे पास पुख्ता ऐसी जानकारी आई कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के कई सदस्य माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आसन पर पहुंचकर कोई भी अप्रत्याशित घटना कर सकते थे।
The BJP has pushed back sharply against the opposition's claims.
आपको लगता है कि विपक्ष में कोई हिम्मत है, ताकत है, हैसियत है? आप ये सोचो कि जब उनको पता है कि कुछ होना नहीं है, तो मीडिया के सुर्खियों में बने रहने के लिए कुछ तो करना है ना।
The Speaker can be removed only through a resolution passed in the Lok Sabha. A no-confidence motion requires the support of at least 50 MPs. The resolution must be carried by a majority of members present and voting. A 14-day prior notice to the Speaker is mandatory. The Speaker does not preside over the motion. The Speaker may speak, participate and vote except in the event of a tie. And the numbers tell their own story. On paper, the opposition falls short. But politically, the escalation is unmistakable. The Speaker is under scrutiny. The temperature in Parliament is rising. And even without the numbers, the opposition is signalling that this fight for now is as much about accountability as it is about arithmetic. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right. right, our face-off for this evening. Adil Singh Boparoy, National Spokesperson, Congress. Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson, Bharatiya Janata Party. Both of you will begin with 2 minutes each. Adil Singh Boparoy, to move a no-confidence motion, you might not have the numbers, but the implications are huge. In the entire history of the country, no-confidence motions have been moved only 31 times and only thrice against speakers.
Preeti, the Parliament of India has been reduced into a notice board. I repeat, the Parliament of India has been reduced into a notice board courtesy the BJP and their strong arm tactics. The Speaker, as an authority, is a custodian of the House. He's under a bounden duty to be impartial and not exercise any bias despite his own political ideology. And what do you see in reality? The opposition is being gagged. The leader of opposition is being gagged. Frivolous, defamatory, and absolutely preposterous public statements are being made by the Speaker. What do you expect us to do? Are we not required to hold the executive accountable to the acts of omission and commission? Today in this country, you have India's energy security policy outsourced to President Trump. He decides where will we buy from and how much will we buy from. This kind of surrender has never happened in the history of independent India. He has surrendered our foreign policy. A former chief of army staff comes on record in his book, which is published, by the way, where he categorically states that the Prime Minister did not come forward and did not give us guidance on the political issue of whether we should confront China or not. And at the same time, you have the BJP and their WhatsApp propaganda, which try to caricature the Prime Minister as somebody who is a strong man. The difficulty today, Preeti, is that governance, foreign policy, strategic autonomy is all being sacrificed just to safeguard the image of Mr. Modi as a strong man. This kind of megalomania, narcissism is antithetical and adverse to the future of India and to the future of 1.5 billion Indians. I think this is what we really need to take stock of today.
Okay, but Adil, what does it have to do with moving a no-confidence motion against the Speaker? I'm not talking about, what the idea of the Prime Minister is, where the Congress is concerned, but I'll circle back to you. 2 minutes, Sanju Verma, because some of the charges, you've had MPs now write to the Speaker on how they have been mistreated, and one of the charges is grave, where the charge is that the Speaker has allowed on record disparaging and defamatory statements made against women MPs.
Preeti, let's get one thing very clear. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Om Birla in this case, has sweeping powers under Article 93, 94, 96, 100, 110 of the Constitution. Om Birla, as the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha, has speaking powers under the 10th schedule of the Constitution. For the Congress or anybody from the opposition to cast aspersions and say that, Om Birla is BJP's agent, Om Birla is prejudiced against the opposition, I think that's a whole lot of balderdash. And I'll tell you why. I always say that look at the track record of the concerned people before you take them seriously. And when I say you, I mean the Janta at large. Rahul Gandhi and the entire Darbari ecosystem wanted a discussion on inflation, on unemployment, on Adani, on Manipur, on Ram Mandir, on Pegasus, on CAA, on Waqf, on Article 370, on budget after budget during the budget session, on SIR, on so-called vote chori. 99% of the time, BJP, the Modi government was willing to have a discussion on the floor of the House, but Rahul Gandhi was MIA. Rahul Gandhi's basic policy is shoot and scoot. And the other thing I want to say, the Congress spokesperson said Modi ji is suffering from megalomania. Megalomania Congress ke सत्ता के दौरान हुआ करता था. Congress in the first 54 years that it was in power in the center brought in 597 ordinances, which means, every year 11 ordinances were passed. The Congress amended the constitution over 78 times without taking opposition into confidence. And the Congress used Article 356, Preeti, to dismiss duly elected governments 107 times. 49 times Indira Gandhi alone dismissed duly elected state governments. So don't lecture the BJP.
Okay, ma'am, your time is over, and that's unfortunately all the time that we have for in this face-off. I wish we had 2 more minutes each to give you, but thank you for taking the time out and joining us this evening. Appreciated. We had a bit of news break in the beginning, and that has caused less time for our panelists.